5 seconds to go. Start. My dear countrymen, the people of Arunachal Pradesh have been running a unique campaign for a year and have named it Arunachal Pradesh Air Gun Surrender Campaign. In this campaign, people are voluntarily surrendering their air guns. Do you know why? So that indiscriminate hunting of birds can be stopped in Arunachal Pradesh. Friends, Arunachal Pradesh is home to more than 500 species of birds. These include some indigenous species which are not found anywhere else in the world. But gradually, now the number of birds in the forest has started declining. This air gun surrender campaign is going on now to rectify this very situation. During the past few months, from the hills to the plains, from one community to the other, people everywhere in the state welcomed it with open arms. The people of Arunachal have voluntarily surrendered more than 1,600 air guns. I commend and congratulate the people of Arunachal for this. My dear countrymen, there have been many messages and suggestions related to 2022 from all of you. One theme is always there in most people's messages, that is of cleanliness and Swachh Bharat. This resolve of cleanliness will be fulfilled only with discipline, awareness, and dedication. We can get a glimpse of that in the Puneet Sagar campaign undertaken by cadets. More than 30,000 NCC cadets participated in this campaign. These cadets cleaned the beaches, removed plastic waste from there, and collected it for recycling. Our beaches, our mountains are worth visiting only when there is cleanliness at the place. Many people dream of going to a particular place all their lives, but when they go there, knowingly or unknowingly, they have behind waste there. It is the responsibility of every countryman that the places which give us so much joy should not be dirtied by us. Friends, I have come to know about a startup named Saaf Water which has been started by some youth. With the help of artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, it will give information related to the purity and quality of water in their area to people. This is just the next step of cleanliness. In view of the importance of this startup for the clean and healthy future of the people, it has also received a global award. Friends, in this effort, एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर, be it the institutions or the government, everyone has an important role. You all know that earlier there used to be a lot of old files and papers in government offices. Ever since the government had started changing the old practices, these files and piles of paper are getting digitized and stored in computer folders. Special campaigns are also being run in ministries and departments to remove the old and pending material. Some very interesting things have happened through this campaign. When this cleanliness drive was started in the Department of Post, the junkyard there became completely empty. Now, this junkyard has been turned into a courtyard and cafeteria. Another junkyard has been converted into a parking space for two-wheelers. Similarly, the Ministry of Environment converted its vacant junkyard into a wellness center. The Ministry of Urban Affairs has even installed a Swachh ATM too. Its purpose is that people deposit garbage and take cash in return. Departments under the Civil Aviation Ministry have started making organic compost from dry leaves falling from trees and organic waste. This department is also working to make statutory from waste paper. Our government departments can also be so innovative on a subject like cleanliness. Till a few years ago, no one even believed in it. But today, it is becoming a part of the system. This is the new thinking of the country, which is being led by all the countrymen together. My dear countrymen, this time also in Mann Ki Baat, we touched upon many topics. Like every time, after a month, we will meet again, but in 2022. Every new beginning also brings an opportunity to recognize your potential. Goals we did not even imagine before. Today, the country is making efforts for them. It is said here that is, when we want to earn knowledge, learn something new, or do it, we should make use of every single moment. And when we have to earn money, that is progress and growth, every particle, every resource should be used optimally, since with the destruction of the moment, learning and knowledge are gone, and with the destruction of the particle, the resource paths to wealth and progress are closed. This thing is an inspiration for all of us countrymen. We have to learn so much, innovate anew, achieve new goals. Therefore, we will have to preserve without wasting even a moment. We have to take the country to new heights of development. So, we have to make full use of every resource of ours. In a way, this is also the mantra of Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self reliant India, because when we use our resources properly, we will not let them go waste. Only then will we recognize the power of local. Only when will the country be self reliant. So, let us reiterate our resolve to think big, dream big, and work hard to make them come true. And our dreams will not be limited to us alone. Our dreams will be such that the development of our society and the country is connected. Our progress will open the way for the progress of the country, and for this, we have to start working from today without wasting a single moment, without losing a single particle or resource. I am fully confident that with this very resolve, the country will move forward in the coming year, and 2022 will be the golden page of building a new India. With this very faith, wishing you all very happy 2022. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Stop.